What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another edition of All Things Driving. If you're new to the channel, I'm your host as always, Rashid White. All right, let's get into it. This video comes from the Bronx, where I grew up for 42 years. I think 43 years. And it's a road rage incident, and like this is somewhat shocking over here when you actually look at this. Let's not waste any time. Let's get into the actual video here. So you see it over here, violent road rage clash between and this actually happens on an interstate, right? It crushes an elderly man. He was about 66 years old between like a couple of cars there, man. All right, so let's not waste any time. Let's get into the video. All right, so notice the guy actually has New Jersey plates. Now, every time I'm driving in the Bronx, right, or even New Jersey, let's say especially in the Bronx, it's always a New Jersey driver that's doing something crazy, right? I mean, whether they cut you off or like when you're trying to make a lane change, they speed up on you. And this is the thing over here, man. You never know who's recording or who's actually watching, right? So I stay away from these type of road rage incidences. I never ever get out of my car or the bus I drive. I mean, I never ever going to take it to this type of extreme, especially when it comes to like a 60-something-year-old man, an old man.
Otra más, otra más, otra más. Otra más, otra más. Pum, pum, pum. Toma.
See, me, I would want to get away from this type of situation. I'm not going to sit here and watch. I'm going to back up, and then whoever this vehicle is or someone who's recorded, I'm trying to get out of here. You never know if someone pulls out a gun and they start shooting. Bullets don't have a name on it. They can go anywhere, especially if the person's not competent enough in terms of like how to even, use a firearm. So the old man's actually like 66 years old. All right, so I'm gonna stop it right here because again, YouTube is really tyrannical when it comes to like violence and things like that, like scenes like this. Now he wasn't injured, but if you're the old man, listen, you're like a 66 something year old man. You're not gonna beat this guy. This guy's like 35 years old. He's really muscular. You need to let it go, man. He came out, he threw something at you, or whatever he did in the beginning of the video. Just let it go, man. And if you're the guy in this BMW X5 here, it's an old man. Like seriously, dude, come on, man. Older people. I mean, their reflexes. If they made a mistake, they cut you off. I mean, their reflexes are not really there. You gotta let it go, man. I mean, someone actually I was driving, trying to get off the exit off the Ann Hutch, and This woman, the light is green. She just slams on the brake, and I got a little pissed off about it. I'm like, man, will you just go at the green light? And I was gonna say something to her, and I'm like, she was like a 70-something-year-old woman. And I'm like, yeah, like let's just let it go. Like, I mean, come on, like really. And if you're this, especially like this is a stupid thing for this guy in the BMW to really do, because like over 65 years old in New York, he's obligated to use deadly force on you if you actually go ahead and attack him. Now, New York is a retreat state, so I guess the DA will look at it. Well, can this old man have driven off, right? Did he have enough room to go around and just get away from this guy? But the fact that he really did box him in over here, man, I mean, yeah, I mean, if he had like a firearm on him, I mean, he could have used it. So, and then like the charges that this guy in the BMW may face. Now, they saying that there's no arrest. I'm not sure. I'm gonna do a follow up on this, so I'm gonna look more into this. I'm surprised it's not. But then again, it's New York, right? They just have so much, especially in New York City. This is actually in New York City. I mean, there's so much stuff going on. I'm if you look at the Citizen app in the Bronx just alone, I mean, it's lit up like a Christmas tree. Like, it's more lit up than the actual Christmas tree in Rockefeller Center. There's a whole bunch of crime going on, and the DAs have their hands full. So eventually, they are going to get to you. You never know who's actually watching. This guy more than likely will face charges on this. And I don't. And I think he probably could beat it, but now you got to get a lawyer and spend like $50,000 just to actually defend you from, like, let's say a vehicular, like aggravated assault, which can give you like 8 to 9, 10 years in prison. Yeah, I mean, it's tough, man. If you live in New York, you live in New Jersey, it's expensive. The cost of living is extremely high. You got to work really hard. And maybe this guy was actually late for work. Now the Cross Bronx Expressway, 9:30 in the morning, is a parking lot, and so we just gotta let the road rage go. You're never gonna see this person again. It's not worth getting charges filed on you. Let me see if there's any. It said, yeah, it's not clear from the video or police details what happened to lead up to the altercation. And I can't really assume what actually happened, but I'm gonna go with the New Jersey driver. Well, actually, I'll give the New Jersey driver a break, because the way he rolled up on the old man is like maybe the old man did something to him. He cut him off. I mean, something happened over here, man. But listen, there's no excuse for this. So, I will wrap this video up. Definitely like, comment, subscribe. Certainly share this video. When you share, the universe certainly shares back with you. Peace.